Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in week 6 and 7 discussion. Junot Diaz's 2012 short story, The Cheater's Guide to Love, 20 points, 1,000 words. All right, let's scroll down and survey the assignment. We have a wonderful photograph here of Junot Diaz receiving the Pulitzer Prize in 2008. And this caption here is a link to the Pulitzer Prize website explaining why Junot Diaz received the Pulitzer Prize. Okay, scrolling down, we have our discussion rubric. This is how I evaluate this assignment. We have our reading, of course, The Cheater's Guide to Love, 2012 by Junot Diaz. And we have Dominican Republic Spanish vocabulary and phrases, which is different from the Spanish we may be accustomed to here in SoCal. Okay, and speaking of that, Diaz's first name is Junot. It is not Juno or Yuno, it's Junot is how he pronounces it, in the kind of Spanish from the Dominican Republic. All right, scrolling down, we have part 1 due by 11:59 p.m. on Friday, March 20th, 2020. You're going to answer the questions below in 750 words, 3 pages. Do not number your answers to the questions. Write an informal essay. And the questions are here, and I have links to various literary devices for you to click on and become familiar with. Okay, and also links to some vocabulary words I use, socias and cuero. And we have our part 2, due by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday, March 27th, 2020. And these are our peer evaluations and a guide to how to make this discussion lively. It's very active. We don't want to just write something and bang, we're done. We are in a discussion, so we're going to respond to 2 pairs postings. And if someone responds to your posting, respond, okay? And also respond to my questions, please. All right, I'm going to scroll up to that wonderful photograph of Junot Diaz receiving the Pulitzer Prize in 2008. And I'm going to remind you that I'm over here in inbox. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to contact me. All right, let's have a great discussion.